Understanding the phrase, eyebrow patch. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore an interesting English phrase, eyebrow patch. This phrase might sound a bit unusual, but it's a great example of the colorful and varied nature of the English language. Let's dive into what it means and how you can use it in your everyday conversation. The phrase, eyebrow patch, is not a commonly used expression in English and does not have a widely recognized meaning in everyday language. It appears to be a combination of two words, eyebrow, which refers to the strip of hair growing above your eye, and patch, a small area that is different in some way from the area surrounding it. In this context, an eyebrow patch could hypothetically refer to a small area on or near the eyebrow that is distinct in some way, perhaps due to differences in hair growth, color, or skin texture. Since eyebrow patch is not a standard phrase, its use in English is quite limited. However, it could be used in creative or descriptive contexts. For instance, in storytelling or character description, you might say, the character had a distinctive eyebrow patch, giving him a unique appearance. This usage paints a picture of a character with a notable feature near their eyebrow. It's important to understand that eyebrow patch is not a common phrase and might confuse native speakers if used in everyday conversation. It's a great example of how you can play with language to create new expressions, but it's also a reminder to be mindful of the context and clarity when using such creative phrases. I hope this exploration of the phrase, eyebrow patch, has been both interesting and informative. English is a language full of surprises, and while eyebrow patch isn't a standard phrase, it's a fun example of the creativity language allows. Keep experimenting with English, and you'll find endless ways to express yourself.